Hello, in this program we are going to create a generator function. Here in this example, simple generator function I created, and generator function is simply a uh, usual function with yield statement inside within it. So this what this function does, it just yields the following values, three values, 1, 2 and 3. And a generator function returns our generator object, so it will return generator object here, and then we can iterate through each of the values that is being yielded from this generator function using the next method on this function x, right? So this will return the items using the next method, and then we can iterate through a loop over this function to iterate all the values that are being yielded from this function, like this for item in simple generator function, and then print each item like this and run the program. So output will be this. Thank you.